How to rapidly increase your credit score. Rapidly increase your credit score. David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com, and in this video I'm going to tell you the best and most efficient way to increase your credit score very quickly. What you would do is you can go to freecreditreport.com, I think that's the website, or there are a few other websites, or annualcreditreport.com, where you are essentially offered one free credit report per year for Experian and all of the other agencies. So TransUnion, Experian, and there's one other one. I'm sure it'll come to me. Equifax. So the three major credit reporting agencies, and what you do is you look for any negative items and then you simply dispute them. The best way to do that is you can Google dispute letter for a credit card, and then you want to mail the dispute letter, certified mail, because when you mail, they have 30 days to respond to you. I would estimate that if you dispute the item correctly, you mail it to the right address, and you send it via certified mail. Do not use their online portal. I know that it's very easy, but when you use the online portal, then you also agree to their terms of service, and it allows them a lot more time, and the success rate of you disputing an item online versus actually taking the time to print out a letter and then mail it to them is significantly less. So maybe you'll be successful 25% if you submit an online dispute, but you're probably going to be successful 50% of the time if you mail them a letter via certified mail. What I like to do is I choose and mention the item, then I give them a reason why this is not true and why it should be deleted. Then I include a copy, like a signed letter. I also include a copy of my driver's license and a copy of a utility bill. By disputing items, this is the fastest way to get them removed from your credit report. And once an item that is a negative item is removed from your credit report, then your score should instantly increase. So the fastest way to increase your credit score is to get a credit report from Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, and then dispute the negative items. David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I read and respond to everyone's comments, and by you leaving a comment, it tells the YouTube algorithm that this is an engaging video, and then it helps promote the video to additional people. So I would greatly appreciate if you commented, shared, and subscribed to this channel. You can also click the little bell if you want to be notified of future videos, and I appreciate your attention.